This question wants us to find the median of 9 numbers. Now, in general, the way to find a median is to line up all of the numbers in ascending order. That means from smallest to largest. And the middle of those numbers will be the median. Now, if there's an even number of numbers, then there would be 2 middle numbers, and we'd have to take the midpoint between those two. But we don't have that issue here because 9 is an odd number, so we have 9 different data points, and we just need to arrange them from smallest to largest, pick the middle one, and we're good to go. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.